Hello friends, I am Abhijit and my project topic is experimental investigation of factors affecting charging time of a smartphone. As we know, smartphones plays a major role in our day-to-day life. Essential charge is required for smooth working of the smartphone. This experiment deals with the investigation of certain factors that affect charging time. The factors and levels considered in this experiment are: factor 1 is connectivity, factor 2 is flashlight, and factor 3 is GPS. Various configurations set up for these factors in a smartphone is shown here. In factor 1, the low level is considered as aeroplane mode and the high level is considered as internet connectivity. In factor 2, the low level is considered as flashlight in off mode and in high level flashlight in high mode. And in factor 3, the GPS is considered as in off mode in low level and in turned on in high level. The response variable is time taken to charge the smartphone by 3%. The trial video of a run is shown here. The current level of response variable was found to be 83.74 seconds, in which the current level was considered as internet connectivity is turned on and the other factors were kept as low. The variability was found to be 0.9844 seconds, and the target for the response variable was set up as 65 seconds. This is the cause and effect diagram. The charger, battery, external factors, and background services plays a major role in the time taken to charge the mobile phone. In background services, flashlight, connectivity, location services, etc. are included. The selected factors are connectivity, flashlight, GPS, and the noise factors is voltage fluctuations. In connectivity, the lower level is airplane mode and higher level is internet connectivity. And in flashlight, lower level is turned off and high level is turned on. And in GPS, lower level is turned off and higher level is turned on. The experimental design chosen was full factorial since the number of factors is 3 and the level considered is 2. Therefore, the total runs in a full factorial experiment is 8. This can be easily done in the setup. The number of replications is calculated using delta is using the given equation, and in which the delta is considered as 2 seconds and the reading taken for 5 repeated experiments is shown here, from which the standard deviation was calculated and it was found to be 0.98. By using the formula, the replication was found to be 1.93, which can be considered as 2. The precautions taken in conduct of experiment was randomization and 2 replications was done, and the time between the runs is taken as 10 minutes. This is the result table. Half normal probability plot of the effects is shown here. From this plot, we can understand that the main effects A, B, C are significant, and also the interaction BC is significant. Response was factor 1. Factor 1 is connectivity. Plot is shown here. In this connectivity is not much having variation when the levels are changed. And the response was factor 2, that is flashlight plot is shown here. From this graph we can understand that flashlight having variation when the flashlight is affecting the response time when the levels are changed. And also the response was factor 3 plot is shown here. And factor 3 is GPS, and GPS is having effect on the response time when the levels of GPS are changed. This is the ANOVA table in which the main effects and the interaction main effects ABC and interaction BC is significant, and it is shown here. This is the normal probability plot of residuals, and in this the points are staying close to the center line. This is the residual was predicted value plot. This is residual was run order plot in which no pattern is there and the randomization can be seen in this experiment. This is residual was factor 1 plot. This is residual was factor 2 plot. This is residual was factor 3 plot. And this is box-Cox plot in which lambda was taken as 1 and the recommended lambda is 1. Therefore, no transformation is required. This is the model equation in which the main effects A, B, C and the interaction is considered. In this, A is the level of connectivity, B is the level of flashlight and C is the level of GPS. The model equation is used to calculate the predicted value of desired response. The desired response was at the level at which desired response occurs is the connectivity at low level, the flashlight at low level, and GPS at low level. The predicted value was found to be 71.85 seconds, and the prediction interval was found to be 61 to 82.29 seconds. The result of confirmation experiment was found to be 74.48. From this, the model equation was found to be satisfied. The conclusion of this experiment is that the factors like connectivity, flashlight, and GPS was found to be significant, and also the interaction of BC was found to be significant. In order to charge the mobile faster than usual, the factors like location services, flashlight, and internet connectivity should be turned off while charging. Thank you.